Dogecoin. Doge generally is a mineable coin that generally is as of now exchanged at $0.06943 per unit. With the market capitalization of $9,732,07025, that generally makes it a mid-position digital currency. Or so the for the most part thought. Computerized resources like Dogecoin basically have currently explicitly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for by and large retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for pretty huge institutional financial backers who explicitly see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an especially successful real defense against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which basically is very critical. Yesterday, on July 12, the cost of Dogecoin generally remained at $0.065293 at the end of the kind of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 7.02% distinction when contrasted with the essentially current cost 7 days prior. On July 6, the Dogecoin market in every practical sense remained at $0.067041 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a genuinely significant manner. As the outcome, the cost essentially moved by 0%, corresponding to its truly present standing. A month prior, on June 13, Dogecoin especially was evaluated at $0.061452, which fundamentally harmonized with our cost expectation for that truly specific period, which sort of is genuinely huge. Contrasted with the really present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 12.99% cost move, which generally is genuinely huge. These figures ought to sort of yield you some understanding into the very current market structure, while our inside and out cost estimate basically depends on the appearances of CVIX, which really is very critical. However, to truly figure out the genuinely capability of Dogecoin, or any in every practical sense, other cryptographic money besides, it's critical to basically consider the cost variances, as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource, in an unpretentious manner. At the point when it truly comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's offer, or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its genuinely in general ubiquity, with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Sort of additional appearance how computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for fundamentally huge institutional financial backers, who for the most part see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital forms of money as an essentially successful sort of support against expansion that takes a sort of weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an exceptionally significant manner. Numerous digital currency brokers view market capitalization as an especially key marker to truly be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. It explicitly is determined by duplicating the really all-out number of coins that certainly are right now available for use, flowing inventory, by the fundamentally current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by most certainly remains at $0.069436, showing how contrasted with the sort of present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 12.99% cost move, or so they basically thought. Considering that recipe, we truly have determined the very current market capitalization of Dogecoin to fundamentally be at $9,732,07025, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those truly present on the digital money market, or so they essentially thought. Yesterday, on July 12, the market capitalization of Dogecoin in a real sense remained at $9,149,797,709. Keep going week. On July 6, the by and large aggregate sum of fundamentally capital gave to Dogecoin essentially was laid out at $9,389,365,962. The information from a month prior, enrolled on June 13, by and large shows that Dogecoin explicitly had a market capitalization of $8,587,432,884, which especially is very huge. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that especially have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and especially are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders kind of cool wallets, which is genuinely critical. The complete stock likewise considers any coins that for the most part have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. or so they in a real sense thought. It can generally measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that sort of is public on the financial exchange, which in every practical sense is very huge. The extremely complete stock of Dogecoin presently generally remains at 140, 157, 796, 384 Doge in a significant manner. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply really is the most regularly involved genuinely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which certainly shows that the genuinely all-out supply likewise considers any coins that generally have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, or so they thought. It compares with the barely the best estimate of the very in general number of coins that really are public on cryptographic money trades and truly add to their liquidity in an unpretentious manner. Their volume doesn't fundamentally incorporate the coins that basically are vested, marked in really brilliant agreements, secured in advance wallets, or basically put unavailable for general use, which is genuinely huge. The circling supply by and large is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the financial exchange, or so they thought. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin fundamentally is assessed at 140, 157, 796, 384 Doge, which is genuinely huge. Over the exact beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market in a real sense added up to $396,618,494 in an extremely significant manner. Yesterday, on July 12, the fundamentally normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting in every practical sense added up to $151,409,310, which basically shows that over the in every practical sense recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market commonly added up to $396,618,494, or so the for the most part thought. 7 days prior, on July 6, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $314,072,614, which especially is very huge. This information and the events on the Dogecoin graph can explicitly assist you with essentially evaluating for yourselves the sort of current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the extremely current course, or making an inversion, fundamentally further appearance how this information and the events on the Dogecoin outline can generally assist you with especially surveying for yourselves the very current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the truly current bearing or making an inversion, which in every practical sense is very critical. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, truly is our essential instrument for making the most dependable expectations in regards to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time in every practical sense. Further appearance how especially numerous digital money brokers view market capitalization as a truly key pointer to generally be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, an especially enormous way. It generally was made by the in-house group of engineers and market examiners and truly was utilized